Here we go at 73 kilometers per hour. This going rock solid and straight. Well, hi there, welcome to Dino's World and welcome to my first ride review of the Royal Enfield Himalayan 450, the Sherpa 450 engine. It's a gem of an engine, 40 PS, 40 Newton meters. But the biggest upgrade is the spoke wheels with tubeless tire kit, which makes it absolutely priceless. So you get the entire kit with the front disc and the rear sprocket for around 12 grand, and that's an absolute steal for a tubeless tire kit. And it's always been a force to reckon with. The Himalayan, it's a statement by a manufacturer who always made his own rules, believed in their own way, and proved to the world that when they're passionate about something and serious and dedicated to their vision, they can make it global and make a global impact and bring a global revolution. Almost every international journalist who's ridden the Himalayan 450 has only had praises to sing about it. I mean, make no mistake, you ride this, you feel it's a well and truly proper upgrade, comprehensively updated and upgraded with all the right bits wherever there was necessary. It's a beautiful sunset here in Hyderabad. You can see glorious golden hour sun setting in the background, and we are just going through a small off-road dirt patch kind of a thing, because the dirt trail has been closed because it's primarily a military area, and earlier they used to give access, but now I think because of the overcrowding they've closed that patch, which was a 4-kilometer proper trail passage, and it was brilliant for trail riding. But this one is no less, just look at the canopy of trees with beautiful sun setting right ahead of us. And I guess this is where we take a quick diversion, and you can actually switch on and switch off ABS at the flick of a switch. So this is ABS on, and this is eco performance mode, and well, let us see whether we can turn off ABS. Okay, performance mode is on, so let's see. Second gear, we have some ducks and swans here, and riding through this dirt road is a piece of cake for the Himalayan. It's always been this way. Whoa, 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 watch out, yeah. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant and effortless. Okay, ये GoPro जो है ना, कब हाथ देता नहीं मालूम, especially when you need her the most. Just look at it sway and go effortlessly. Now let's see how you turn off ABS here, because that's what I was told. We can switch to neutral, flick the button, ABS performance mode on, rear ABS off. Okay, अभी ऑफ हो गया, अभी मजे करो. Spin the rear wheel, can we? Okay, sorry. You can see that smoke. It just let out a lot of smoke. That's about having fun on the run on the Himalayan. This thing is a monster. When you take on rocks and boulders, this is just an evening stroll for the Himalayan. You can lock the rear wheel. Off we go. Look at the sun. When you feel left out, when you feel all alone, feel run down, this is the bike that takes you to uncharted territories. The road's less traveled. It will make a road where there's no road for you. That's the best way to describe a Himalayan. Taller gears. Second gear is enough. We're already doing close to 50. Oh boy, such a joy. Oh boy, incredibly awesome. Ooh la la, loving every moment of this, huh? Incredible chassis, brilliant suspension, 200 mm of suspension travel front and rear, 43 mm USD forks, the larger disc up front, 270 mm disc at the back, switchable ABS. You just want to fly on this at every given opportunity. Oh man, what a weapon, what an off-road weapon RE have come up with. And the spoke wheels, tubeless tires just make things absolutely brilliant. You just want to keep doing this all day long, round and round, like a lap across of, a flat track. How I wish we did ride the flat track version at the Ridermania a couple of years back. Oh, this chicken's gonna get it. Oh, what a lovely feeling, man. Stand and deliver. Let's go through this. Come out over here. Ooh la la. What a lovely evening. A vast open ground that's opened up for you. You can take a few lovely pictures here. Just gotta watch out for some of the snakes here. There's a lot of isolated land here. I wish we had the sunset in the backdrop. Search of the perfect picture. Can I locate the sun? There she is. I'm gonna get the perfect pic, the sun setting in the backdrop. Just on time. There she is. Okay, another wonderful evening ride comes to an end. Hope we have guys had a good time hopping along. Wow. If you thought this was great, you should see the older videos of me trying out the Tiger on the military, kind of forest trail. That's pure heaven for off-road junkies. And now we head back on the tarmac, and let's see how does it feel on the tarmac. I came riding, to be honest. It feels extremely satisfying, super add-on, and takes the value proposition to a different level. I think if you're buying it brand new, you can get it for 11 grand as do it yourself, or build your own, or whatever it is, make it your own concept. But then if existing 450 owners want to slap this on their existing 450, then you gotta shell 12 grand as a mere 1,000 grand increment. That's absolutely nothing these days. Almost a Swiggy order costs 1,000 grand these days. It's not a major difference. But look at, and yeah, we'll do that wobble test. Look at the bike. It's not wobbling all that much. So that was wobble test number 1. We'll do one more once we have a slightly wider stretch up ahead. Very, very capable motorcycle, the Himalayan 450, and the kind of accessories you get to make it even more sleeker and sharper, that adds on to the character and the fun part and visual aesthetics as well. So this is more of a dual sport machine now. Having ridden too many bikes with quick shifters, I was trying to tap down without using the clutch. आदत से मजबूर भाई लोग. Is that a friend of mine? Okay. There was a friend of mine I was supposed to meet, but couldn't make it on time, so I had to come. I couldn't miss the sunset, could I? So once we cross this, we'll do another kind of no hands, no wobble test, provided there's no traffic. Here we go at 73 kilometers per hour. This going rock solid and straight. There's a car coming on the opposite side, so better not scare that guy. And that's about it. So thanks for watching. Hope you had a good time. If you want more such raw, just ride videos, like a street ride, chai ride, or evening ride, comment below. I'll be more than honored to post them for you. Catch you guys next time. Until then, take care, God bless, and ride safe.